Good morning, friends, and happy Monday. I am out running a few errands. I had to drop off a box at my P.O. box. I had to pick up stuff at my P.O. box, and I thought that today I would take a trip into Home Goods to see what kind of fall and Halloween decorations they have. Mainly, I am still looking for Rae Dunn stuff, and somebody the other day had posted a couple of things that they had found at their Home Goods. It wasn't around here. I think it was in Nebraska, I think she said. So I thought, well, maybe I'm gonna go ahead and jump into our Home Goods really quick and let's see if they have anything that I can get. So let's go ahead and go into Home Goods. They're just now starting to get some of their stuff out. They don't have anything out much yet regarding Rae Dunn. No fall or Halloween stuff. Just this. They have clearance Rae Dunn, their 4th of July line, which is really nice. I don't know how much this is though. Does it say? It's $15. That's nice. I have that though. They have some fall blankets and stuff out. These are pretty. I like this one. This one's really pretty. How much is this one? This one is $24.99. Yeah, that's really pretty. They have cute like pumpkin books out. My First Halloween, 5 Little Pumpkins. 5 Little Pumpkins came back. These are really cute. Oh, Goodnight Moon. And 1 Little Pumpkin. That's cute. They have a lot of Rae Dunn stuff on clearance, like the forks, spoons, and knives thing. This is $15 on sale. Well, that wasn't very successful. They don't have a lot of anything out right now. They're just now starting to put all of it out, so that was a bit frustrating. They did have some of their Rae Dunn stuff on clearance. I only found one Rae Dunn item, and it was plasticware. It wasn't even her ceramic. So I'll share that with you guys either later on in this video, or I will share that with you guys in a haul. Not exactly sure yet, but I am going to find one more place that I want to go look. I want to go to look at Pier 1 really quick and see if I can find anything in there. And then I will probably head to the TJ Maxx that's out here in this town. And then I'll head home because no success. Alrighty, so I changed my mind. So instead of going into Pier 1, I'm actually going to go into Joann Fabrics and see what they have out for the fall and Halloween season. So let's go check out their stuff. So here's what they have for their fall season. They got some cute stuff. Fall. I love these. These are so cute. These are really nice too. These are, how much are these? $40 for those, but everything's 40% off right now too, so, but still, that's quite pricey. I like this banner, $14.99, cute. Cute little ladder, that's cute, $60 with 40% off. I really like this key. I think these are fun. Those would be fun to hang in a house. Those are $29.99 with 40% off. Cute. Halloween. Cute. I like the stackable boxes. These are cute. This one is, I don't know, doesn't have a price on it. But I like the stackable boxes. That's fun. Ooh, you guys, I love this wreath. This one is, I don't know, it doesn't say. $49.99 with 50% off. So it gives you like a little list right here, so obviously it'd be $30. Still a little pricey. And I love this one. This one's really cute too. How much is this one? $50 for that one too? Oh, that's a little bit pricey. I like this one too. How cute is that? And I love that garland. Look at that garland. That is really cool. 40 bucks for that garland with 40% off. 40 with 40, so it'll be $23.99. Still a bit pricey. I like this. That's really cute. This is $49.99, $50 with 40% off. Really cute. Cute stuff. I like that. Cute. Love the house. Love this. This is so cute. And it says it lights up. Yeah, cute. Let's see how much it is. This is $30 with 40% off. That's cute. I like the witches too. I love all of these. Oh my gosh, I love that. Those are cute. All of their Americana stuff is 70% off. So all of this stuff, 70% off. Cute stuff too. I like those. Those are cute. There's another welcome sign. Cute. I like the, I love these. Oh, it just says hello. That's cute. I don't know if you can change that out. 70 bucks for that with 70% off though. I don't know if I'd want the hellos on there though. That's just kind of meh. I don't want to take them off. The ribbon that they have out. Love this stuff. So pretty. So if you guys ever hit your Joann's, right now it's 40% off of all of their Halloween stuff. Okay, so I am in Kirkland's now and I'm checking out all of their stuff that they have, and I love that sign. How cute is that? I love that. Where would I put that? Alrighty guys, so I'm back from running my errands. I stopped off at Panera on my way home. You guys know how much I love Panera. I got my turkey, bacon, and avocado with my French onion soup, and I am about ready to go devour this thing. It looks so good. I'm gonna show you guys. It just kind of fell apart, but I'll show you guys. This is what it looks like. It's a turkey, bacon, avocado, which I don't see any avocado on there. Where's my avocado? Oh, there it is. Okay, and then my French onion soup, and then I got a tea. So that's my lunch for right now, and I'm gonna go eat this. Alrighty, so I'll show you guys the things that I picked up at Home Goods. I told you they didn't have anything like Rae Dunn, like Halloween, except for one thing. And this is actually a plastic bowl. It's not the ceramic, like I said earlier. This is... It says Witch's Brew, and it is a Rae Dunn, but it's plastic, and it was $5.99. I just kind of thought this would be cute to sit up to, you know, somewhere in the house, maybe on one of my 3-tiered things, just kind of add some stuff to it. But I thought that was cute. And then I got this, which is also Rae Dunn. This was $14.99, and it just says Hello Pretty. It's got cute little eyelashes here. I think I'm going to put this on my makeup table and throw some of my brushes inside of here. So I thought this was cute. I really liked it. But those are the only two things that I picked up at Home Goods, because that's all that piqued my interest, and that's all that they had as far as Rae Dunn stuff. Alrighty, so most of you guys are probably wondering why I did not go to Tennessee this past weekend for my second cousin's funeral. Friday, my back started hurting again, a little, not as bad as it was before, but it was still hurting, and it was affecting my lower left hip and my leg. It's just my sciatic, and a couple of years ago, I actually injured my hamstring, and that has still to this day has affected like my leg. It still hurts, whatever. It was a very, very bad injury that I had. So Anyhow, so that all affects everything, and I was just very sore. And to top it off, I was dizzy Friday night going into bed, and just like super dizzy. I actually came out here and sat on the couch for a little bit and watched TV, and then texted my mom and my sister to let them know that I probably would not make it Saturday because I was so dizzy. I just did not want to drive that far by myself being dizzy. So I had just decided to stay home. So that's pretty much what we did all weekend. I did go to the grocery store really quick just to pick up a few things, and that was it. And majority of the time Brian and I stayed home. Not majority of the time, the whole weekend Brian and I stayed home and just kind of just did things around here, piddled with things that we needed to get done around here. I finished up my kitchen, which I will go show you guys in just a few minutes. I finished up my kitchen cabinets, which made me so happy about. He actually helped me finish those yesterday because, again, of my back and everything. So he helped finish those up for me, which I was so grateful for. What else happened? Oh, this shirt, you guys are probably wondering. I ordered this shirt. There's like a thread on Facebook that goes around, and it's a clothing, I don't even know what like store it came from, but anyway, I absolutely love this shirt. I love right now anything with has like flowers or stripes or anything like that. I love it. It's so comfortable too. It's nice and soft. I washed it, hung it to dry. It's probably a shirt you guys are going to see me in more often because I absolutely love it. There was something else I wanted to say too. Oh, yes. Okay, so this weekend, I also told you guys that plans have changed as well for this weekend. I was supposed to get my nails done on this coming Thursday. Well, I canceled that. I'm actually going tomorrow at 11. That's the only time she could fit me in. I guess I should not have canceled it the other day. After all, that way it would have been done. I wouldn't have had to worry about it. Anywho, so Brian and I are actually leaving Thursday because he has a demo to do in Mobile Thursday afternoon-ish, and of course I'm going to be going with him because we were supposed to be going to Pensacola anyway for the weekend. So after Mobile, we are going to be staying in Orange Beach, a hotel there in Orange Beach. We're going to just enjoy the rest of our evening together, and then wake up the next morning and just probably, you know, veg out at the beach for a little while before checkout, and then obviously check out of that hotel and make our way over to Pensacola for the remaining of the weekend, which is going to be super nice. My son is going to come and he's going to stay with us again. I'm very, very excited about that and happy that I get to spend some time with him again. So it's going to be a nice, fun weekend ahead of us. But like I said, we will be leaving Thursday for Mobile. And this part of my hair is driving me crazy. If it gets like sweaty, it starts to kink. And I actually have to go get my hair done. I have my appointment at the end of the month to go get that done. So I'm happy about that as well. But anyway, so right now I have finished eating my lunch, and I'm going to go ahead and start straightening some stuff up around here. I'm going to go show you guys the kitchen though. Hold on, let's go look at the kitchen. I'll show you guys the finished product. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys the finished section of my kitchen. I'm so happy about it. I'm so thankful that it's finished because it was such a nightmare to get this all done. No, remember, I started this back in March and it's taken me till August to get it done. I'm glad though that I took my time because too much of it would have been so overwhelming. But anyway, without further ado, let's go and look at the cabinets. They're all finished. Look at all of them. They look so nice. Obviously, I put the stuff back on top of my refrigerator, but this is what the cabinets look like on this side. Obviously, these ones were done a while ago, but this is what it looks like now, and I'm so happy about the way that it looks and how it came out. The other thing though, now I have to go, I have to paint up underneath here, and then I'm going to change this light out, but I have to paint up underneath there, and then I do have to finish painting underneath there. So just this little bit and this little bit, and then that is completely done, and I am so happy about it. But that won't take me long at all. That shouldn't take me too long at all either. That's just a quick little tape off and some paint, and then I gotta find like the perfect light for that spot. So yeah, my kitchen is done. It's complete, and I'm so happy about it. Finally, it just took forever, but yeah, it's done. So now I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting the rest of the stuff done. I have to get around the house. I need to throw a couple loads of laundry in. Obviously, I need to get out my suitcase and get some stuff packed. I need to put my broom away. I just finished sweeping over there a little bit. Yeah, that's it. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give us a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. And if you are new, welcome. Thank you guys. Thank you for hanging out with me. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in Wonderland. Bye.